Thank you, Mr. Chair. Miss Elizabeth Joy Cruz was invited and she sent an excuse letter via email.
Ano po yung kanyang excuse letter? Ano yung dahilan?
One moment, sir. I'll get it from the chair. Thank you.
Particularly, I am referring to AKA Joe Delivery sapagkat matindi yung kanyang mga sinabi dito. Gusto ko talagang makita siya at makausap. Sapagkat dito minura niya ako. Ang sabi niya, panay kabubuhan sa kwat. Sayang kuryente sa'yo. Sa kanya. Ano yung pack you? Yung pack you, hindi ko alam. Tutuloy ko lang muna.
Mr. Chairman, Congressman, don't be so personal. Let's be more comprehensive on this approach.
Binabasa ko lang po. Binabasa ko lang eh.
Sige, go ahead. I'll give you
Pangalawa, November 13, 2024, nagmura na naman siya. Hindi ko na babanggitin yung mura niya. Tinatanong kung anong legislation ginawa niyo in relation to this. BS. Ano ba yung BS? BS inquiry. Sasagot ka. Swelduhan ka ng taxpayers. Gago. November 3, 2024. Si Benny Abante at si Romel Marbil ay mga protektor ng illegal na droga dahil pilit nilang pinalabas na hindi ito ganoon kasama. Tapos sabing ganyan, si Dan Fernandez and Ace Barber's survey are depressing. Alam na nila na matatalo sila sa eleksyon. So what is the hearing for? Smoke screen for the discount. Tinabi ko ito sapagkat matindi po itong mga akusasyon na ibinigay nitong gusto ko nilang magmura eh. Hindi na ako magmumura muna. Kailangan po, itong mga to, ang tatapang nila eh. Ang tatapang sa pagmumura, nang wala tayong kalaban-laban. Ngayon, pag kaharap dito, hindi makaharap dito. Mga takuti pala yung mga yan eh.
Please hold your fire, please. On the process of administrative, ano pa lang muna tayo, Congressman, we can tackle that on the interpellation.
Yeah, Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang pong magitin tong kanya excuse letter. O nakalagay dito, after meaningful consultation with my lawyers, gumaya pa na abogado. I have decided to respectfully decline. Respectfully, minumura tayo, respectfully. To share my knowledge on matters. Hindi knowledge ang kailangan natin.
The lawyer,
Sa lawyers, kung libelous yung ginawa niya, o slander. No, o nakalagay, I would like to categorically state that I am neither paid by POGO operators. Hindi na pinag-uusapan. Pinag-uusapan natin yung mga sinabi niya. Tapos, respectfully, Elizabeth Joey Cruz. Nakikinig po sa atin ngayon, nanonood ngayon. Kumarap ka dito, kumatapang ka. Hirap sa iyo, nagmumura ka nang dyan na wala kaming kalaban-laban. Kumarap ka dito. Dito. Namo.
So the next item of our agenda is all the...
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Zamora.
I would like to reiterate my earlier motion to strike out the expletive that was mentioned by my idol Representative Abante earlier. Second motion.
Mr. Chair,
The motion.
I object because it was not expletive. Sinabi ko lang, namo. That can mean anything.
So there's a motion to strike out the word that was delivered by Congressman Abante, and this was duly seconded. Any objection?
Mr. Chair,
That motion is approved.
Mr. Chair, I would like to manifest na because it was a motion made by she's just like a daughter to me because her father is a very good friend of mine. So I would like to withdraw my objection, although it is not actually an expletive. But I'm withdrawing it for the sake of the motion, Mr. Chair.